of bacterial flagellum in gram-positive bacteria. So as we have already learned that there is a difference between the structure of flagellum of gram-negative bacteria and gram-positive bacteria. There is a difference between the structure of cell wall of gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Now, the cell wall of gram-positive bacterium in which the flagellum is embedded. So in order to understand that, we need to understand the structure of cell wall of gram-positive bacterium as well. This is the cell membrane. So this is enlarged here. This is cell membrane, and as one of the principal features of cell wall of gram-positive bacterium is high percentage of peptidoglycan. So in contrast to the structure of cell wall of gram-negative bacterium, gram-positive bacterium has a thick layer of peptidoglycan. So this is peptidoglycan, thick layer of peptidoglycan. We have separated this just to understand the structure of flagellum, which I am going to show you here. So this is cell membrane and a thick layer of peptidoglycan, and this flagellum is present in this space. So this flagellum also has three components. The first one is filament, which is made up with flagellin proteins. Second component is hook, as we have discussed in case of flagellum of gram-negative bacterium. And the third component which lies here is the basal body. The basal body consists of a central rod and rings like this. So we can see here that the flagellum of gram-positive bacterium, it consists of filament, which is made up with flagellin proteins, hook, and this is the basal body. This basal body, it consists of a central rod and rings. Now see these rings. Here we can see presence of only two rings. This is one ring and this is another ring. These two rings are present in this portion of cell wall of gram-positive bacterium like this. We can see this is the position of cell wall of flagellum of gram-positive bacterium. So this is peptidoglycan, this is cell membrane, and this is the position where, so this one ring is embedded in peptidoglycan and another one is bound to cell membrane. So this is the structure of flagellum in case of gram-positive bacterium like this. This is the another view. We can see that this is the filament, then this is hook, this is the central rod and rings which forms a basal body. So these rings are present in peptidoglycan here, and another one is bound to the plasma membrane. So likewise, in comparison to the structure of flagellum in gram-negative bacterium, the structure of flagellum in gram-positive bacterium, it is simple as it contains only two rings around a central rod And as we have discussed, the movement of this flagellum is in this direction, like this. Exactly, the bacterium's flagellum, it rotates like this. So you can see that the flagellin composed filament is rotating in this circular fashion, like this. So that helps. So this is the structure of flagellum in case of gram negative bacterium, where you can see the presence of four rings. So this hook is bound to the central rod, and that central rod is bound to the basal body, and this is how the rings are arranged around this central rod, and the flagellum is moving in the circular motion. That helps the bacterium to move in aqueous fashion. Similarly, you can note the structure of flagellum towards right hand side in case of gram positive